I've made over $1,100 and I'm going to show you how to set up this viral affiliate system to make money online as a complete beginner with affiliate marketing in 2022. You don't need a huge social media following, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on Facebook or Google ads, and once you set this up, you can make passive income for weeks or months to come. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set this system up entirely step by step, so make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. Now in just a second, I'm going to give away my CPA marketing course to one of you guys that have commented on my latest CPA video. Now before we do that, I want you to hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Make sure to also like this video to support this channel. Without further ado, let's hop into my desktop and give away that course. So this is my latest CPA marketing video. I'm going to copy the link up here. I'm going to go to comment picker. I pasted it inside here. Filter duplicate users and filter comments based on specific text, which is giveaway. So get YouTube comments, and we have exactly 100 unique comments. So let's see who the lucky winner is. So congratulations, Ali Raza, you won the giveaway. I'm going to pop my email up on screen right now, so make sure to send me an email. I'm going to send you the login details to my course as soon as I see it. Now, if you also want to enter the giveaway and get a chance to win my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course, then make sure to follow these 5 steps. Number 1, subscribe to this channel. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, or whatever social media you're active on. Number 4, make sure to comment giveaway below this video, and also watch this video till the very end because I see everything in my YouTube back office. Once you have completed these 5 steps, you're automatically going to be enrolled in the giveaway. Now without further ado, let's hop into this tutorial right now. This video is brought to you by Cloudways, a managed hosting platform for PHP applications. Cloudways has enabled businesses to scale and reach new milestones without having to worry about server issues. Cloudways' dependable 24/7 support provides complete peace of mind from server-level nightmares. Its superior tools boost your productivity so you can focus on creating an incredible experience with your applications. It's a quick management solution for agencies, small businesses, and e-commerce store owners, as well as affiliate marketers just like myself. If you want to start a WordPress affiliate website or a blog, Cloudways is your best hosting option. They have extremely low-cost plans, and their platform is extremely simple to use. What I like most about Cloudways is their slogan, moving dreams forward. Now guys, if you decide to sign up with Cloudways, make sure to use my promo code BLACK. I'm going to pop it up on screen right now. You get 20% off for 2 months. Now guys, this is the funnel that we're going to be using to promote our CPA offers. Now this works like a charm, and we can give away any type of email submit giveaway offer from either Max Bounty, CPA Grip, CPA Lead, or whatever CPA network you use. So this is the first step. I'm going to give this entire affiliate funnel to you guys. Don't worry, I'm going to share my secret link so you can copy this exact funnel into your account and just change the affiliate link. So this is the step 1 of the funnel, right? So complete the following 3 steps to enter the giveaway. So when people come to this page, they're going to click on the next step. Now this is step 2 of the funnel, and I'm going to show you guys why this works so well with free traffic. Now you don't need thousands of visitors per month because we're going to be using the word of mouth and the snowball effect method. Now this means that everyone that comes to this funnel has to share this exact funnel on social media, right? So imagine if one person comes to this website and shares this on Facebook, another 100 people might come to this funnel, then another 1,000 people might come to this funnel, because people are going to be sharing it and more people are going to be seeing it, right? So in order to actually complete step 2, you're going to have to share this funnel on Facebook. Then they can go to step 3, okay? And step 3 is congratulations, this is the last step. Press the button below to enter the giveaway, and here is our affiliate link to a specific CPA offer. So this is how the entire funnel works. It's absolutely amazing, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this funnel up in just a few minutes. Now before we do that, I want you to sign up to cpagrip.com. This is a CPA marketing company that's going to allow you to promote specific affiliate offers. So they have email submits, mobile apps, they have a bunch of offers that you can pick from, but this is super easy to sign up. They literally gonna accept your application straight away, so you don't have to wait for approval or a phone process or anything like that. So all you have to do is fill in your information. Publisher type is GPT, and this is gonna allow you to get accepted as soon as possible. So make sure to fill in your information, guys. This takes like 5 minutes and you should be good to go. I'm gonna log into one of my dummy accounts and I'm gonna show you guys the offers that we can promote. So this is what a new account looks like. You should see that you have your tax documents, which you have to obviously upload, your payment details, so PayPal. And here is a dashboard that you can see how much people made in a specific day. For example, Malcolm X has earned $125 yesterday with 3,600 views and 1,800 clicks and 135 leads. So you can scroll up this exact dashboard and you can look at what people are making and what's possible, guys. But basically what we're going to do now is click on offer tools and click on my offers. Okay, so you're going to click the country where you're from or where you want to send traffic from. So I'm going to click United States because that's where I like getting my traffic from, even though I'm from Europe. Now this is very, very important, guys. You want to promote email submits or zip submits because let me show you guys, because these specific types of offers are mainly giveaways. For example, you have a chance to collect $10,000, get $50,000 to spend, and we're going to be promoting these types of gift cards. Okay, so as you can see, they have a pretty good payout. I mean, $2 here, $2 here, $170 here, $2. So it might not be much at first, but imagine if you get 1,000 people to convert, which is pretty easy to do because nobody has to enter their credit card. All they have to do is enter their email, and you get $2, $1, or whatever you promote. Okay. So all you have to do is click on this exact offer, and here is your secret affiliate link, which we're going to be adding into our funnel in just a few minutes. So right now I'm going to show you how to build this entire funnel inside ClickFunnels. So if you don't have ClickFunnels, I'm going to leave a link below this video. They offer a 30-day free trial, so you can absolutely try this out for free. And I'm also going to drop the link to my funnel, to this exact funnel below this video, so you can literally copy and paste it inside your ClickFunnels account. So the first thing you want to do is go to your back office, click on build a funnel, click on collect emails, and name this step number 1. Okay. Now here you can delete this because we're going to be duplicating our funnel step. And here you can see a bunch of templates that we can pick from, so you don't have to start completely from scratch. Now, the template I use is this one, right? This is a simple template. It looks pretty good. So clean box opt, I'm going to select this template. I'm going to wait for it to load. And now I'm going to add a new step. Step 2, create funnel. So this is a 3-step funnel. So obviously we need 3 steps. And step 3, right? Create funnel. So you want to do the same thing for these 2 steps. So just choose the clean box template. So it's down here, select template, and do the same for step 3. So I'm going to show you how to create the first step of this funnel. I'm not going to do the entire 3 steps because it would take me way too long, but basically just click on edit page and watch what I do. It's really simple. It's drag and drop. Just to show you guys how easy it is to actually move around in ClickFunnels, make the font smaller, choose the font, maybe Open Sans, just like that. Now what we have here is a bar. So we're gonna add that in there. Let's just see where it is. It's called a progress bar. Okay, so we can choose the theme. So for example, if you want stripes or bold bottom border. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. So we're going to do stripes, and here you can see % width. So for step number 1, this is at 0%, and we also have a completed, how much we have completed. So we can copy this, just duplicate this headline, copy it inside there, make it a bit smaller if we need to. Let's just say, 16 or whatever. I'm going to pull this. All we have to do is just click on settings, top margin, make it smaller. Okay. So what do we have next? So this is a section that's split up in two, right? It's split up in half. So all we have to do is just go to rows, add row, and 2 columns, right? So we can paste it inside here. We can delete this. We don't need this. Okay. Now we can click on settings. On this row, we can add a background color, which is blue, or maybe light blue, just like that. Now here we're gonna add a headline. Under that, we're gonna add a subheadline, and we're gonna add a button right here. So, sorry guys, button is down here. Did I skip it? Oh, sorry guys, there it is. Okay, so now we can start playing around with this part. So step 1 of 3, and this is click the button on the right to continue. Okay. So just like that. Excuse me. Okay, now we're gonna add it to the left, just like we have on my professional site, and we're gonna change the background color to white, and here as well to white. Okay, now wait guys, where is it? There it is, white as well. We're gonna change this to white. We're gonna push it up so it's closer, and we can make this a bit smaller if we need to, just like that. Now the button, if you want to change the color, again, just click on settings. Here's the color, and the text color is gonna be black or something like this. And next step is right here. Okay, if we want to make this a bit bigger, just click on settings, settings, and font size. Just change the font to, let's say, 32, and now it's big. Okay, so now if you want to just edit it more, just step 1, if you want to make this bold, just play around with it. So make sure it's nice, it looks trustworthy. Make sure to do that, okay, because it's always good having a clean website. Okay, now once we have this, we don't have to do this entire process again on the second page. I'm going to show you a cool little trick, guys, on ClickFunnels. Just go to go to this icon, settings, clone, save, and delete. You want to click on save, okay, and you can name this YouTube test. Okay, now you can save this. Obviously, you want to add a next step button, so set action. This is going to be the next step in the funnel, and click on save. Okay, now when you go back, this is an awesome, cool trick that not many people know about. Go to step 2, click on edit page, and this is going to make your life a lot easier. You can just delete this, and what you want to do now is add a section, right? And you're going to go to my sections, and here you can see YouTube test. This is the one we have just saved. And as you can see, the entire section was copied into step number 2. Now, obviously, step number 2 is a bit different, so we're going to change it so it looks like this. And nothing complicated. It's very, very simple. If you have any questions, if you don't know what to do in ClickFunnels, just YouTube, type the question you're curious about, and I'm sure a ClickFunnels tutorial is going to come up, and it's going to help you guys. Okay, so this is the actual viral funnel that is completed, like fully. But the most important step, guys, is to go to step number 3, click on edit page, and remember we have copied where is it, guys? Here it is. We have copied the affiliate link. So you want to paste it right inside here. Okay, so on step number 3, click here to enter the giveaway, set action, paste the link inside here, and open in same window. Okay, so every time somebody comes to step number 3 and clicks on this button, they're gonna get redirected to the actual affiliate offer. Once they complete that offer, enter their email there, then you get $2 commission. So this is exactly how the entire affiliate funnel works. Now I'm gonna leave the link to this entire funnel so you can basically just copy and paste it inside your ClickFunnels account. You're also gonna get a free ClickFunnels trial to test this entire system out and start sending traffic to it yourself. Now, guys, the last step of this entire tutorial is to send traffic to this funnel, to this exact opt-in page, right? To this link. we have to send as much people as possible to this page, right? And the more people we get, the more people are gonna be. The more people we get to this funnel, the more money we're gonna make. Now, I'm gonna show you an awesome tool, guys, that you can use, which you can start making videos, that you can start advertising, and you can start sharing these videos on social media. Now, these are gonna be value videos that are gonna help people, are gonna bring value, and at the end of the video or in the description, you can leave your link to the landing page of this giveaway, right? So for example, top 10 tips to save money, right? 10 best ways to save money. We can go to this website and we can convert this article into a video, right? That we can upload to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and that video is going to get us a bunch of traffic to our website. Now, what you want to do is head over to lumen5.com. Now, you can start a free account. You don't need to enter your credit card or anything like that. Once you're in the back office, create a new video. Okay. Now, what you want to do is just scroll down. You want to skip this part. You want to scroll down and you want to choose where you're going to be uploading video. Okay. So if I'm going to be uploading a video to YouTube, I'm going to click on YouTube. Now here, we're going to let this load, and up here you can see paste a URL to your blog/article. You want to paste your URL from the website and click on import. Now this is going to create an article for you guys that's going to be converted to video. So as you can see, this is the article, and all you have to do is convert to video. So you can wait for this to load, and I'm going to show you guys how awesome this looks. So as you can see, this is the video being created right now. So at the moment it has 40 seconds, and this is the first part. So 10 best ways to save money. We all want to save money. Tip number 1, and there's your awesome little video that you can start uploading to YouTube, sharing this video with your friends on Facebook, social media, for example, TikTok. You can just share this entire video, share 10 tips on how to save money, and in the description of that video, you can add your landing page to enter a giveaway. Now guys, saving and investing article websites aren't the best in terms of our offer, because it's not really relatable. But what is we can go to Google and search for something like 20 expert sweepstake tips to help you win more prizes. And we can actually copy these types of articles and convert them into videos, because this is more related, to our offer. So when we give people some value about sweepstakes and then leave our, link of the website to this exact affiliate system in the description, they're going to have a way better chance of actually enrolling. This is a much better qualified lead. Okay, so make sure to find websites like this, convert them into videos, and start sharing them. I don't care, guys, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. It doesn't really matter. I want you to create videos every single day. There's thousands of blogs, tips, websites about sweepstakes and giveaways online. So just copy them, convert them into videos using Lumen, and share these videos every single day on your favorite social media platforms. Now, this is the best way to get qualified leads to your website. They're gonna go to step number 2, share this on their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and this is gonna give you way more traffic, because if one person shares this on their Facebook account, another 100 people are gonna see it, guys. Okay, so this is how the viral affiliate system works. It's not rocket science. All you have to do is send traffic consistently to this exact page. I showed you guys how to do it. I showed you guys an awesome tool on how to convert articles into videos. Now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, like this video to support this channel, and also if you want to enter my CPA Marketing Mastery giveaway, make sure to follow all the 5 steps that I've mentioned at the beginning. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, guys. This channel is growing super fast. We have just crossed 10,000 subscribers. I'm super thankful to all of you guys that are watching my videos consistently. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.